Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the ramp safe, park level, chalk wheels, and remove the trailer from the hitch. Once done, support the ramp with a jack or solid block so it won't drop. Next, relieve spring tension slowly using a C-clamp or strap. This prevents sudden release. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection because springs store energy. You'll also lay out the socket set and replacement parts nearby to minimize movement once you begin the actual spring work. You now remove the old spring cautiously. Secure the ramp open, mark how the spring sits and where each anchor connects so orientation matches later. Then, while supporting the ramp, loosen the anchor bolts and slowly unwind or detach the spring. Go a bit at a time to control tension. Once free, compare the new spring to the old one for length and coil count. Position the replacement in the same orientation, hook it to the anchors, and hand tighten bolts to keep alignment before final torquing. You finish by setting correct spring tension. Slowly tighten to the manufacturer's preload spec or measured setting, counting turns or using a gauge. Once set, lower the ramp slowly and watch for even movement and smooth operation. Test open and close several cycles. If it binds, squeaks, or moves unevenly, stop and recheck anchor alignment, spring orientation, and bolt torque. Make sure hardware is rated and not worn. If issues persist, replace mismatched parts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.